Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping pieces of luxury engineering on wheels, the $3 million Bugatti Motorhome Pulse. This isn't your average camper van. It's a groundbreaking fusion of hypercar performance and high-end RV luxury, redefining what it means to travel in style and speed. The Bugatti Motorhome Pulse is a state-of-the-art mobile home, designed to tow the ultra-luxurious Bugatti Chiron while offering a living space that rivals five-star hotels. The concept originated from the rising demand for high-performance motorhomes that don't compromise on comfort or prestige. Though Bugatti itself didn't directly manufacture the motorhome, this masterpiece was designed to complement the aesthetics and speed of Bugatti vehicles, typically using a luxury motorhome base like the Volkner Mobile Performance S, modified with Bugatti-level design cues and materials. The invention of such a motorhome reflects the evolution of the RV market, which has been growing rapidly in places like Germany, the US, and parts of the Middle East. Germany, in particular, stands out as a major player both in the production and sales of high-end motorhomes, with companies like Volkner Mobile leading the charge. The Bugatti Motorhome Pulse, often seen paired with a Chiron, is most popular in luxury hotspots such as Dubai, Monaco, and Los Angeles, where owners desire both prestige and performance in every aspect of their lifestyle. Popularity-wise, while only a few are made and sold due to the exclusivity and cost, they have garnered immense attention on social media, car expos, and luxury travel shows. The blend of a Bugatti with a high-tech motorhome draws millions of views and is considered a symbol of elite status. Performance is another area where this beast stands out. Equipped with a powerful 500-plus HP engine, the motorhome itself can cruise effortlessly at high speeds while towing a hypercar. The ride is smooth, supported by high-end suspension systems and top-tier engineering. Despite its size, the handling is remarkably precise, thanks to advanced control systems. Fuel efficiency, while not the highlight, is surprisingly balanced for a vehicle of its class. Advanced hybrid options and smart fuel management systems allow it to deliver better mileage than older diesel models, although performance still takes priority over economy. As for capabilities, the Bugatti Motorhome Pulse offers everything from slide-out walls for expanded interior space, automated luxury kitchenettes, king-sized beds, entertainment systems, and even a garage section that lowers to reveal the Bugatti Chiron in all its glory. It's not just transportation, it's a moving palace. The key features include a state-of-the-art smart system for full vehicle control, real wood and leather interiors, solar panels, and a hydraulically operated platform to load and unload the car. It even has climate-controlled zones and satellite internet. With a price tag starting at $3 million, it's clearly aimed at the ultra-wealthy. But what makes it truly sell isn't just the specs, it's the unmatched combination of luxury, speed, design, and exclusivity. The Bugatti Motorhome Pulse is more than a vehicle. It's a lifestyle on wheels, and it's rewriting the rules of luxury travel.